Fish is not just a tasty addition to your meals. It's also a powerhouse of nutrition, especially for those managing diabetes. Packed with high-quality protein, essential omega-3 fatty acids, and a low glycemic impact, fish is one of the best foods you can include in your diet to support stable blood sugar levels and overall health. Unlike many other protein sources, fish offers unique benefits for heart health and inflammation, two critical factors for diabetics. By making the right choices in fish, you can enjoy delicious meals while taking a step toward better glucose management. In this video, we'll explore 7 of the best fish options for diabetics. These fish have been carefully selected for their nutrient profiles, ability to help regulate blood sugar, and role in preventing diabetes-related complications. Whether it's boosting heart health or providing essential vitamins and minerals, these fish will make managing your diabetes easier and more enjoyable. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more insights into managing diabetes through nutrition, and let us know your favorite ways to enjoy fish in the comments below. Together, we can make eating healthy not just a necessity, but a joy. Salmon is renowned for its rich omega-3 fatty acid content, making it a superstar in the diabetic diet. These essential fats play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body and improving insulin sensitivity, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels. Additionally, the omega-3s in salmon are known to support heart health by reducing triglycerides and lowering blood pressure, which is particularly beneficial for diabetics, who are at higher risk for cardiovascular diseases. Numerous studies have demonstrated the positive effects of regular salmon consumption on managing diabetes. Research indicates that the omega-3 fatty acids in salmon help improve glycemic control by enhancing insulin response to glucose in tissues. These studies underscore salmon's potential not just as a part of a healthy diet, but as a strategic choice to combat diabetes and its complications. Incorporating salmon into a diabetic-friendly diet can be both delicious and simple. Grilled salmon with a side of steamed vegetables offers a balanced meal packed with protein and fiber, which aids in blood sugar regulation. Another great option is baking salmon with a sprinkle of herbs and a squeeze of lemon, which enhances the fish's natural flavors without adding excessive calories or carbohydrates. These cooking methods maintain the nutritional integrity of salmon while making it a delightful addition to your meal plan. Mackerel is a nutrient-dense fish that provides an array of health benefits, especially for individuals managing diabetes. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, mackerel supports cardiovascular health by reducing inflammation and improving lipid profiles, which are often concerns for those with diabetes. These fatty acids also aid in reducing insulin resistance, a common issue in type 2 diabetes, thereby helping to regulate blood sugar levels more effectively. In addition to omega-3s, mackerel is an excellent source of vitamin D and selenium. Vitamin D plays a pivotal role in glucose metabolism, with studies showing that sufficient levels can help improve pancreatic function and enhance the body's sensitivity to insulin. This is particularly important for diabetics, as maintaining stable insulin sensitivity is crucial for blood sugar management. Selenium, another vital nutrient found in mackerel, has antioxidant properties that help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, conditions often exacerbated in diabetes. Selenium's role in antioxidant pathways means it can help prevent cellular damage associated with chronic diabetes complications, such as neuropathy and retinopathy. By incorporating mackerel into a diabetic diet, individuals can take advantage of these significant nutrients, which support overall health and help manage diabetes symptoms and complications effectively. Numerous research studies have underlined the significance of mackerel as part of a heart-healthy diet, especially for individuals with diabetes, who are at a higher risk of cardiovascular diseases. The omega-3 fatty acids found in mackerel, specifically EPA and DHA, have been shown to lower triglyceride levels, reduce arterial inflammation, and decrease the risk of arrhythmias, which can lead to heart attacks. One landmark study published in the Journal of Diabetes and its Complications demonstrated that participants who consumed mackerel regularly had improved blood lipid profiles, with notable reductions in total cholesterol and triglycerides. Furthermore, the anti-inflammatory effects of omega-3s contribute to improved endothelial function, crucial for maintaining the elasticity of blood vessels and promoting good blood circulation. In terms of blood sugar management, a study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that the intake of fish high in omega-3 fatty acids, like mackerel, was associated with a lower incidence of type 2 diabetes in populations with a high seafood diet. The researchers suggested that these benefits might stem from omega-3's ability to improve insulin sensitivity. Additionally, selenium and vitamin D, both abundant in mackerel, have been studied for their potential protective effects against diabetes. Selenium's antioxidant properties help reduce oxidative stress, which is a key contributor to insulin resistance, while vitamin D is thought to play a role in the modulation of pancreatic beta cell function, enhancing insulin production. These studies collectively highlight how regular consumption of mackerel can play a pivotal role in a diabetic's diet, contributing not only to improved cardiovascular health, but also to better regulation of blood glucose levels. Mackerel is a versatile fish that can be enjoyed in a variety of dishes, making it easy to incorporate into a diabetic-friendly diet. Here are some simple ways to prepare mackerel. Smoked mackerel salad. Flake smoked mackerel and toss it with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, and a vinaigrette made from olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of mustard. This salad is quick to prepare and offers a balanced meal with healthy fats and proteins. Pan-seared mackerel. Season mackerel fillets with salt, pepper, and a touch of paprika. Heat a nonstick skillet with a small amount of olive oil over medium heat and sear the fillets skin side down first until crispy, about 3 to 4 minutes per side. Serve with a side of steamed vegetables and a wedge of lemon for an added zest. Mackerel pâté. Combine flaked cooked mackerel, light cream cheese, lemon juice, chopped dill, and capers in a food processor. Blend until smooth. This pâté can be spread on whole grain toast or cucumber slices for a delicious and healthy snack. Grilled mackerel. Marinate mackerel fillets in a mixture of olive oil, lemon zest, chopped garlic, and herbs such as rosemary or thyme. Grill over medium heat until the fish is cooked through and the skin is slightly charred, which should take about 5 to 7 minutes on each side. These preparation methods not only preserve the nutritional integrity of mackerel, but also enhance its natural flavors, making it a delightful addition to any meal that helps manage diabetes effectively. Sardines are a powerhouse of nutrients, making them an excellent choice for anyone, especially diabetics. They are packed with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their role in cardiovascular health. These small fish are also a great source of calcium, which is beneficial for bone health, and they provide high-quality protein, which is crucial for blood sugar regulation. For diabetics, sardines are particularly beneficial due to their low mercury content compared to other fish, making them a safer option for regular consumption. They also help in managing blood sugar levels because of their high protein and healthy fat content, which can prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. Incorporating sardines into meals can be both delicious and varied. Sardine sandwich. Mash sardines and mix with a little olive oil, lemon juice, and chopped herbs. Spread on whole grain bread and add lettuce, tomato, and cucumber for a nutritious sandwich. Pasta with sardines. Cook whole wheat pasta and toss it with olive oil, garlic, chopped fresh tomatoes, and sardines. Top with parsley and a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese for a hearty meal. Sardine salad. Mix sardines with chopped celery, onions, and a dressing made from Greek yogurt and mustard. Serve over a bed of mixed greens for a protein-packed salad. These meal ideas not only integrate the health benefits of sardines but also fit well into a diabetic diet by providing balanced nutrition with every dish. Cod stands out as an excellent choice for diabetics due to its lean nature and high protein content. It's notably low in fat and calories, which is advantageous for those managing diabetes and focusing on maintaining or achieving a healthy weight. The protein richness of cod helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels by promoting satiety and reducing the tendency to snack on high-carb foods. Recent clinical studies underscore cod's benefits beyond just basic nutrition. It has been found effective in managing blood lipid levels, specifically lowering triglycerides, which are a common concern in metabolic health disorders. Such studies enhance our understanding of how regular consumption of lean proteins like cod can support overall metabolic health, critical for diabetes management. Incorporating cod into a diabetic diet can be both enjoyable and simple. Here are a couple of cooking ideas. Baked cod with herbs. Season cod fillets with salt, pepper, and a mix of your favorite herbs such as parsley, dill, or thyme. Bake in a preheated oven until the fish is flaky and tender. Serve with a side of steamed vegetables for a complete meal. Cod tacos. Use grilled or baked cod and serve in corn tortillas with lettuce, diced tomatoes, and a dollop of guacamole. This dish provides a satisfying meal that is not only flavorful, but also aligns with diabetic dietary needs by balancing complex carbs with protein and healthy fats. These methods not only preserve the nutritional integrity of cod, but also align with the dietary recommendations for diabetics, emphasizing low-fat, high-protein meals that support overall health without sacrificing flavor. Tilapia is widely recognized for its high protein content and low levels of saturated fat, making it an ideal choice for diabetics who are looking to maintain a balanced diet without compromising taste. Its nutritional profile is particularly suited for those managing their weight and blood sugar levels, as it provides substantial protein while keeping calorie intake low. This helps in controlling appetite and prolonging satiety, which is crucial for blood sugar management. Research supports tilapia's role in promoting health beyond basic nutrition. The high-quality protein found in tilapia aids in muscle repair and maintenance, which is essential for everyone, including diabetics, as it helps maintain muscle mass during weight loss or management regimes. Studies have also indicated that the protein in tilapia can help stabilize blood sugar levels by providing a slower, more stable source of energy compared to carbohydrates. Incorporating tilapia into a diabetic diet can be both diverse and delicious, thanks to its mild flavor and versatility in cooking. Here are a few serving ideas. Grilled tilapia. Season tilapia fillets with herbs and spices, then grill them until golden. Serve with a side of mixed greens or roasted vegetables. Broiled tilapia. Marinate tilapia in olive oil, garlic, and lemon juice, then broil in the oven for a quick, flavorful meal. Tilapia in soups and stews. Add chunks of tilapia to vegetable-based soups or stews for an extra protein boost. These preparation methods not only keep the meal low in unhealthy fats, but also enhance the natural flavors of the fish, making it a satisfying component of a diabetic-friendly diet. Tuna stands out as a nutritional powerhouse, particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, due to its high content of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and quality protein. These nutrients are essential for managing blood sugar levels and maintaining overall energy. Omega-3 fatty acids, found abundantly in tuna, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and ability to improve heart health. Vitamin D helps enhance the body's sensitivity to insulin, thereby playing a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels, while the high protein content supports muscle health and helps stabilize energy levels throughout the day. Research underscores tuna's significant health benefits, especially for those managing diabetes. Studies have consistently shown that the omega-3 fatty acids in tuna can help reduce triglycerides, which are a common concern for diabetics, as high levels are linked to increased risk of cardiovascular disease. Furthermore, these omega-3s have been associated with a reduced risk of irregular heartbeats and plaque buildup in arteries, directly contributing to heart health and overall cardiovascular function. For meal planning, tuna offers versatility and simplicity, making it easy to incorporate into a diabetic diet. Here are a couple of meal ideas. Tuna salad. Mix canned tuna with a little olive oil, lemon juice, chopped celery, and fresh herbs for a refreshing and heart-healthy lunch. Grilled tuna steaks. Marinate tuna steaks in garlic, lemon juice, and a touch of olive oil before grilling. Serve with a side of steamed vegetables like broccoli or asparagus for a balanced meal. These dishes not only provide nutritional benefits, but are also straightforward and quick to prepare, ensuring that individuals with diabetes can enjoy delicious and health-supportive meals without extensive preparation. Halibut, a firm white fish known for its delicate and mild flavor, is an excellent choice for diabetics due to its impressive nutritional profile. It boasts low mercury levels, making it safer compared to other large predatory fish, and is packed with high-quality protein, which is crucial for overall health management, particularly for those with diabetes. The high protein content helps with satiety and stabilizes blood sugar levels by slowing down carbohydrate absorption during meals. Additionally, halibut is a good source of magnesium, a mineral that plays a vital role in glucose metabolism and is essential for maintaining proper insulin function. Recent research underscores the benefits of including halibut in a diabetic diet. Studies have shown that regular consumption of halibut can aid in better blood sugar regulation and might reduce the risk of developing long-term diabetes complications such as heart disease and neuropathy. Its low-fat content and valuable nutrient composition also make halibut a heart-healthy option that aligns with the dietary needs of individuals managing their blood sugar levels. When it comes to preparing halibut, the options are both healthy and flavorful. Here are a couple of cooking suggestions. Pan-seared halibut. Lightly season a halibut fillet with salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of herbs. Sear in a hot nonstick skillet with a little olive oil until the surface is golden and crispy. Serve with a squeeze of fresh lemon juice for an added zesty flavor. Halibut with a diabetic-friendly sauce. Prepare a sauce using fresh tomatoes, garlic, and herbs simmered until thickened. Pour over baked or steamed halibut fillets for a nutritious meal. These cooking methods preserve the integrity of the fish while enhancing its natural flavors, making halibut a delightful addition to any diabetic meal plan. In this video, we explore the top 7 fish that are ideal for diabetics, each offering unique benefits to enhance overall health, particularly in managing diabetes. These fish include salmon, mackerel, sardines, cod, tilapia, tuna, and halibut. Each type provides essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and vitamins that help regulate blood sugar levels and support heart health. Incorporating these fish into your diet can help improve your metabolic health, reduce inflammation, and maintain a balanced diet. We encourage everyone watching to try incorporating these nutritious fish into their weekly meal plans. If you have favorite recipes or ways to prepare these fish, please share them in the comments below. Your contributions not only help foster a community of shared knowledge, but also support others in managing their health more effectively. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and share it with anyone you know who is managing diabetes or could benefit from including more healthy fish in their diet. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on managing diabetes and enhancing your diet for better health. We consistently provide valuable tips and information that can make a significant difference in your daily health routine.